लेट्स बी रियल, मास्टरबेशन से एडिक्टेड होना कोई मजाक नहीं है। इट साइलेंटली ड्रेन्स योर मोटिवेशन, एनर्जी एंड फोकस। बट द गुड न्यूज इज ये कंप्लीटली फिक्स हो सकता है। इन दिस वीडियो मैं आपको साइंटिफिक स्ट्रैटेजीज बताने वाला हूं जिससे यू कैन लीव दिस बैड हैबिट एंड यू कैन गेन कंट्रोल ऑफ योर ओन लाइफ। Alright, पहले एक बात क्लियर कर लेते हैं that masturbation itself is not harmful unless it becomes a compulsive habit. Science कहता है that masturbation releases a hormone called dopamine in the brain and ये वही feel good वाला हार्मोन है which is released when you have junk food, drugs, alcohol and cigarettes. Alright, so what are the signs that you might be addicted to masturbation? Number one, आप बहुत ज़्यादा guilt और ashamed feel करते हो. Just after doing it, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में. Number two, frequency. अगर आप दिन में 2 बार से ज्यादा कर रहे हो, that itself is a red flag. Number three, आप social contact avoid करते हो. You don't feel like going out, you don't feel like talking with anyone. आप हमेशा घर पे अकेले रहते हो just to masturbate. Number four, it affects your productivity, goals or your relationships. मान लो अगर आपको कोई सपना है, you want to crack that entrance exam, you want to start that business, you want to do this or that, ये सारे काम affect हो रहा है just because of this bad habit. Or if you're in a relationship and the relationship is getting affected because of this bad habit, then also it means you are addicted. अब इस 4 पॉइंट में से if you are having more than 2 points, that means you are addicted. Now before we get into the science backed ways to quit masturbation, आपको ये चीज समझना है कि मैं क्यों addicted हूँ. Am I overstressed? Am I very lonely? Am I very anxious? क्योंकि we use masturbation as a escape mechanism. So it's very important that you identify the root cause for your masturbation का addiction. Alright, अब समझते हैं science-based strategies to quit masturbation. Number one, try to build a purpose-driven routine. अब इसका ये मतलब है, let's say you wake up in the morning, you hit the gym, then try to work on your side hustle. आपका mentality ऐसा होना चाहिए that you are so busy, you don't even have time for this. Because यार, let's be real. आज के ज़माने में nobody even respects a person who's just average. You have to be unique and you have to have a skill in any industry. So आपका ये mentality होना चाहिए कि भाई I will become so good in something. I'll be a multitasker. I'll work out and I'll be like exclusive. I'll be the best version of myself. Number two, cognitive behavioral therapy. इसके अंदर एक मेथड आता है the urge surfing technique. Now to implement this, you have to follow the 5-minute rule. Now let's say आप रात में अकेले हो and you feel like masturbating. Now all you should do is 5 मिनट मेरे को कंट्रोल करना है. I'll not do anything and after 5 minutes if I feel like I'll even masturbate. But ये actually क्या होता है? This 5-minute duration in which you're craving to masturbate, it will slowly go down. And after 5 minutes, आप एक realization point में आओगे कि यार I don't even need this. Number 3, avoid triggers and replace habits. Now I see a lot of people, Instagram, Facebook में they follow a lot of girls and वहाँ girls are like really underdressed and then they be like, this will give a temptation for them कि हाँ यार अब कुछ कर लेता है. So try to find your trigger cause. Now let's say your trigger is you're always alone. So try to stay with someone, talk with someone, try to go out more frequently. So आपका जो trigger cause है, try to address that. Number 4, spirituality. Now इसके पीछे कोई science based evidence नहीं है, but when you become actually spiritual, like let's say आप सुबह उठते ही नहाते हो and आप बहुत ज़्यादा सेवा करते हो, this makes you feel pure within and ये सब गंदे आदत को आप आराम से छोड़ सकते हो. And lastly, coming to the most important part, the most common mistake जो सब लोग करते हैं is like let's say आप एक challenge लिया and you want to leave this habit, you follow it strictly for 3 to 4 days and आपने गलती से फिर से कर लिया, it's okay. You don't have to be so strict on yourself कि यार मेरे को नहीं करना है. See, this is an addiction and जब भी कोई addiction होता है, there will be slip-ups. You will tend to masturbate and you might make mistakes. So don't feel over guilty. It's fine. Just get back to track. पर याद रखना, जो लोग masturbation से addicted है, उन्हें लगता है that they are worthless. मैं life में कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Bro, trust me, you are more valuable than you think. Just follow these habits and you will come out of this loop. This channel is your safe place. So subscribe करना मत भूलना and don't feel bad. इस journey में बहुत सारे लोग को ये दिक्कत हो रहा है. I will help you in every single issue. So comments में बताना आपको और किस चीज़ में